Hi, I'm Lenny. I'm here at Access Unlimited, and I just want to say what a phenomenal company this is. Originally, when I was looking for a new vehicle, I'd called a few mobility places, and some of them told me that they couldn't set up the vehicle that I wanted. And they were telling me I had to buy either a Dodge or get a van or get a car that they could set up. I found Access Unlimited right here in Binghamton, and I ended up talking to the people here, and they said they could help me out. We ended up buying a brand new 2020 Dodge Ram.
No,
Huh?
Nissan.
Yeah, sorry, 2020 Nissan, and brought the truck up, and they did a phenomenal job personalizing the equipment in it. This is the Glide and Go lift, and they also put in the Easy-Stow, which brings my wheelchair into the truck for me. So now I don't have to try to fight throwing it in by hand. The Easy-Stow is just a phenomenal piece of equipment, and they actually customized it for me. And this is just a phenomenal piece of equipment so that I don't have to twist around on the seat. I'm not hurting my shoulders or back anymore. I can't believe what Access Unlimited did for me. They are just a phenomenal bunch of people here. What else you want?